Changing language in Waze. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to change the Waze app's language step by step. Like these kinds of videos, we've got more related content on the channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Alright folks, let's get started. My app is currently in English, and for those of you having trouble changing it, when you open the app, click the three lines at the top, then tap on Settings, the third option. In Settings, click the first option, General. Next, folks, tap on the first option. Then click and choose your preferred language. I'll select Portuguese Brazil or PTBR. Just hit OK to restart Waze. Reopen the app and you're all set. If I tap the three lines again, it's now in Portuguese. Did it work? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. See ya.